Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you in the first part my work in progress from Diamond Art Club. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit, space for reflection. The size is 29 by 21 inches. This kit contains 44 colors. It comes with regular resin drills along with AB diamonds, and I did make a few customizations to this kit, but we will elaborate on it later once the diamond painting is completed and I will upload a video review. Unfortunately, it is taking me a really very long time to complete it. I finished only 50% of the kit, although I started back in the beginning of August. Unfortunately, it is I do not really have time to diamond paint, and I could do it only during the weekends. That's it. So it is kind of time consuming for me, not only because of the size and there is also a lot of confetti, but also because of the lack of time that I'm having due to work and to busy family life, so to say. So, but hopefully I will complete it in the next few weeks, and as soon as I upload a video review, post review, we will talk about this kit more detail. So this is the first part of the video, just for you to update you on what you're going to see in the near future, and for you to know what I'm working at right now. In my second part of the video, I would like to talk about the metallic hooked placers that I purchased a few months ago. I actually got a lot of questions in regards to that, if it's worth it, how different it is from standard plastic tips, and etc. So, as you know, a few months ago, I purchased this very stylus along with metallic placers. This is a multi-placer. There was a three placer that I do not use, I don't like it, and a hooked metallic placer. The thing is that the stylus itself is convenient. Don't take it wrong. It is a really very nice stylus, and the stylus came already with these metallic placers, multi-placer, single placer, a regular single placer, the straight one, the hooked one, but it is not as convenient as Diamond Art Club stylus that I purchased back in June or July. I don't remember exactly when I purchased it. It is a little bit thinner than the purple one. That is why I decided to actually work with the pink one. But if you do not have, for example, this pink Diamond Art Club stylus, this one from AliExpress, the purple one, is also pretty comfortable. So in any case, um, this is the standard one that comes in different kits. I do not use it anymore. I use either the Diamond Art Club one or this one. But again, Diamond Art Club is a little bit thinner and it is more comfortable. Now, as to the placers, I personally find the hooked tip much more convenient to work with than a standard straight one. Why? Because when you work with a hooked one, your hand is positioned this way, horizontally, and it doesn't get tired as fast um, as when you worked with the standard placer, because when you do, your hand grip, your hand is positioned vertically. So straight, um, straight, I forgot the single placer and hooked single placer. As to whether it should be metallic or plastic, to tell you the truth, I do not see any difference. They are both lightweight. When working, again, there is no much difference. The only thing that I think that metallic would last you longer, because the plastic one deforms a little bit quicker than the metallic one. But again, I do not really see any difference whether it is plastic or metallic. The hooked form is much more convenient to work with. The only disadvantages of a hooked tip is that it is really very hard to see whether you picked up the drill or not. As you can see, the tip, the hole on the tip is kind of bigger than on the standard straight plastic placer. That is why whenever you pick up the diamonds, at least in the beginning, it was really very hard for me to understand whether I picked up the diamond or not. And I was trying to pick up more and I failed. I couldn't. And I couldn't do that because I already picked up one. So as you can see, the whole kind of swallows the drill, and there is very hard for you to see whether you picked it up or not. While when you work with a standard straight one, you can see the edges of the drill very easily, and this way you know whether you picked it up or not. It was kind of hard for me in the beginning, but then I got used to it, and now this is not an issue. At some point you will already start feeling whether the drill was picked up or not. So this is the first somewhat a disadvantage. And the other disadvantage is that if you try to take the drill out, if you, for example, place it incorrectly or something, it is really very hard to do it with this form of a placer. Whenever I need to take something out, to take the drill out, I would use a standard straight placer, this one, because the hooked one makes it almost impossible for the drill to be taken out of the diamond painting. So this is my verdict. If you ask me whether it's worth buying, yes, hooked tip, hooked placer is really worth it. It is much more convenient to work with. Your hand doesn't get tired much, and I really love working with it. Whether it's worth purchasing metallic hooked tip versus the plastic one doesn't matter. For me, it doesn't matter. I think it's the same. The only thing that I don't know, a few people told me that they purchased the metallic placers and they tried to put it on the standard stylus, and the size didn't match. They were kind of loose, so this way these people were not able to work with those tips. I don't know. As I said, I do not use standard stylus anymore. I purchased the placers, metallic placers, together with this pen. It came with this pen and the placers as a part of a set. That is why I didn't have any problems with the size. And Diamond Art Club stylus was the perfect size for the metallic tip as well. As to the multiplacer, metallic multiplacer, I do not see any difference at all between the plastic one and the metallic one. But as to the shape, yeah, hooked shape is the best. Again, whether metallic or plastic. So I would recommend you to purchase it, but whenever you purchase it, maybe it's worth purchasing it together with a stylus in case if the tips, in case if the placers do not match the size of the standard stylus, at least you will have the pen that comes originally with them to work. Or, I know, purchase them at our club. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the information was useful, and see you soon.